Hi guys, welcome to my channel and how to download driver HP Spectre x360. Okay, so use any browsers to type Google search box um, as it is same and which is officially website of HP support.hp.com and driver. So right click to open new tab, open this tab. This is your laptop. Select operating system Windows 11 latest and select this 11 only and then click to submit. So this is your required driver. Okay, so guys, all drivers are there: diagnostic, BIOS, chipset, graphic card, audio, keyboard, network, storage, firmware and all. Okay, so first click extend audio, click to download. You just one click to download, it will automatically start like. Okay, then again you have to install other one, so go to back, otherwise you can click to download again, slow down. Oh, this is some issue. Okay, so then chipset. Okay, extract. So try this one. Okay, just you can click to download. Okay, so guys, then this is graphic card. Okay, almost 510 MB. And next, this is sensor driver, finger sensor driver, and you can see touchpad filter driver. Okay, so install this one and this one. Network, this is Bluetooth driver, this is Wi-Fi driver, so install both one by one. Okay, so only required for this system: audio, chipset, graphic card, keyboard, mouse, network. Only 5 type of driver required, and all downloaded file how to install. Open, click to download, and then like this file. Then click to yes. Then click to next. All files into installations process same. Next, next. So it is done. Okay, so guys, try this, and if you are facing some issues, so please comment me, I will support you shortly.